That's kind of cool. Yeah, so that's HyperVoxels. So the settings for that, using surface, and I'm mixing two procedurals with these settings. That's basically, that's what creates the sand effect. Nothing really special in regards to the other stuff. Maybe I should have had that one on. I think that could make it more sandy. But yeah, anyway. Let's see. Yeah, as for, I mean, if you use volume instead, I didn't get to. The surface of this one doesn't look that great. So I need to, I don't know. I need to tweak that somehow. Oh, the luminosity is just way overboard on this one. Okay, that's better. Anyway, I'm not going to deal with that. This one looked pretty good. So, but yeah, that's, you know, it's just a matter of adding HyperVoxels to the object sequence. And what you do is you take the exported object sequence that you exported from Storm, and then you load that into Blender. And what you do after having imported the Alembic file, you export it to an OBJ, and remember to check animation so you export the sequence, and you'll get a sequence like this. So all you do then is just drag that over, and I mean in LightWave, drag that over, and once that first file is there, what you do is you say you activate object sequencer, and then it'll wait a few seconds and it'll just load into layout. Be aware that since of how this operates, motion blur is not going to work. None of these options really, and not vector blur either. So if you want motion blur, then you need to export it to a video editor and use Real Smart Motion Blur. But then again, you'll save tons of time not rendering motion blur in LightWave and doing it in a video editor instead. It'll probably save like, it will probably be like 3 times faster render time, which is quite a lot. But yeah, it was fairly easy to import this stuff into LightWave. And of course, if you don't want sand or snow, sand or particles, then what you can do is you activate Storm and then you mesh the sequence. So for example, in this case where it's water, you would want to do that instead. You would mesh the sequence in Storm, export it as in an Alembic, import it into Blender, and export it to an OBJ sequence so you can load it into LightWave. I'm unsure if it will load into LightWave 2020. I think it should actually, because it's just well, I'm not going to say that for sure. I know that 2020 loads Alembic, I'm just not sure if it loads the sequence. But yeah, this is how you do it in LightWave 11.6. Maybe they'll support OBJ export later on.